the day we don't, our disposal exceeds our execution. If you think this is a never-ending hearing, this is the last day of the hearing.
My lord.
Please remember that. You can argue till 11:30, and each one of us may have their views. Let them be expressed in judgments. I want to hear counsel.
Sir, when a question,
I mean, if you,
my lord,
please continue. We will restrain ourselves. You just continue your argument so we can be enlightened what you want to tell us, and we can record it, and we can either agree with you or disagree with you in our judgments.
So, my lord,
Please, next point. Please go on to the next. Please go on to the next point.
So my point is that, again, my lord, that when the law is being given to the parliament, it has subject to law, and for that I want to take you. My lord, I have placed certain case law with your lordship. If my lord has that,
दे दिए या देंगे?
ये रखे हुए सर,
पहले से नहीं दिए?
सर दिए हैं, बहुत पहले से दिए हुए, रखे हुए हैं।
आज
नहीं सर, मतलब उन्होंने कहा जब आप आर्ग्यू करेंगे उस वक्त दीजिएगा। मैं तो हर रोज लेके आ रहा हूँ सर।